Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Tool Recipes. Today I'm sharing a Greek classic that's basically their version of lasagna, Pastitsio. Trust me, this dish is a total game changer, packed with layers of flavor you're going to love. Let's dive right in. Segment 1, about Pastitsio, 016 to 040. Pastitsio is all about layers, thick tubular pasta, a rich and spiced meat sauce, and a creamy bechamel topping baked until golden and bubbly. The real magic, the meat sauce simmered with ground beef or lamb, tomatoes, onions, and a little cinnamon that adds a warm, comforting kick. Segment 2, ingredients and prep, 041 to 110. You'll need some hearty macaroni or bucatini pasta, ground meat, classic Mediterranean spices, and for the bechamel, a luscious mix of butter, flour, milk, and eggs. The bechamel really ties everything together and gives this dish its amazing creamy top layer. Segment 3, assembly and bake, 111 to 129. Once everything is ready, you layer the pasta, meat sauce, and bechamel, then bake it until it's bubbling and golden. Slice it up, serve it hot, and watch everyone go back for seconds. It's comfort food at its finest. Outro, 130 to 145. If you love hearty, flavorful dishes, Pastitsio is a must-try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes every week. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.